I don't know why, I just feel the need to, sometimes this farmer comes by on his tractor, and I don't know why, but I just seem to feel the need to share this. Alright? One thing, because I like tractors. And furthermore, I like old International Harvester tractors. Alright? So it looks like he's hauling some old hay. That's some of last year's, or well, probably older than that. The year before, the bottom of that roll is all rotted out. Oops, getting shaky out here. And I'm sure they have a productive use for it. I think it's gone bad. But yeah, and that same farmer he has several old Farmalls. I'm going to try to start catching him when I'm sometimes a little bit late. I hear him coming.